We got the Ninja Slushi. Let's take a look at it. What do you say? Guys, I've had this for a while. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's been sitting over the side. I've been saving this for spring, and we're almost there, guys. So we're gonna crack into this thing, take a look at it, go over the features. I'm gonna start working on some recipes for it so you have them in time for the spring, summer pool season. So guys, make sure you're subscribed to check out, the recipes we put together for this. I think the first thing I'm gonna make is a brose. If you don't know what a brose is, you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned and watch that. But let's go over this real quick. Guys, this thing is awesome. Let me tell you why. So many people have that Ninja Creamy, right? I have it too. It's a blender to me. It's not an ice cream maker. What I love about this thing, it actually makes the slushy in the unit, right? No mixing something on the side and then putting it in the freezer and freezing it overnight and then, blend it up, make it a slushy, whatever. No, this thing right here does it all. And that's all you want in life, is something that does it all, right? Well, this is it, all right? So there's no blending, there's no dilution or, anything like that. This thing keeps your drinks cold for up to 12 hours, right? We're gonna take it out of the package, but all you do is pour your mix in the top here, set it. It has a slushy, a spiked slushy, which is probably what I'm gonna be taking advantage of, a frappe, milkshake, and frozen juice. 5 preset settings, right? Pretty simple to use. And you can adjust the temperature control on it, right? Little to a lot. Condensation catch, 2-piece drip tray, and it has an inspiration recipe guide with 10 recipes in it. Now I'll tell you what, you know how I feel about them guides that come with the Ninjas. I usually take them and throw them away, but I might look into this just to make sure I'm doing it right. Let's get it out of the box. What do you say? It has a lift off box. I gotta tell you, this is awesome that it does that. So much easier. Got your normal packaging, owner's guide, safety, warranty, whatever. Your inspiration guide, quick start guide, which we'll go over. And guys, make sure you actually go through those, little manuals, guides, all that stuff. You want to make sure you use this thing right. So the recipe guides and stuff, probably works out pretty well with this. But really look through the owner's manual and get to know your slushy, right? There's a little drip tray. Comes apart. Oh, yeah, this thing is too dang cool. Yeah, it's got a little bit of heft to it, a little bit of weight, but don't we all? So you can see this is where you put your liquids in there, right? Keep the unit running while you're dispensing. Now on the side here, you have a low sugar alert, high alcohol, high sugar alert, and it shows you how to fix each alert that comes up. And then before plugging it in, keep upright for 2 hours. Unit must be level before first use, indoor use only. It says indoor use only, but I mean, I'm gonna plug this in outside and make slushies by the pool. That's just what I do. Don't do as I do, do as what it says. Your mileage may vary. Just saying. We've got our quick start guide right here. Covers everything that's in the box, how to use it, where to start. Little Kickstarter mixes. Got mocktail ideas, presets, temperature control. All right, one thing you're gonna notice is it requires sugar. Okay, you need sugar in your mixes, and this says up to 4% sugar. Luckily, the stuff that we're mixing, the margarita mixes or the Red Bull vodkas, the whatever, right, is going to have sugar in there, okay? But it gives you an explanation on how to overcome it, what to use, the whole bit, right? So guys, pretty simple. I mean, there isn't a whole lot to go over as far as the mechanisms go. You can see here the settings. You slide that little base in there, has a QR code to get started. Remove the condensation catch to clean after each use. That's that, the condensation catch. You'll remove that after you use it to clean it up. While it's running, you use this handle right here, right? And it dispenses in there. Pretty simple. This little handle right here, it disconnects the slushy mixer here. What you do not want to do is add ice, solid, or hot ingredients. There's a minimum fill line, 16 ounces max fill line, 64 ounces. Guys, that's a whole gallon, right? I could use a gallon of slushy. And we're just gonna slide this back on. pull our handle back, and it's secured and sealed tight. So that's it. It's really one of those things where you plug it in, pour in your mix, and hit whatever setting button you want to set. Okay, so there's not a whole lot more to this little first look thing. Unfortunately, I am not able to do something with this right now. Funny story, my oldest son, who's of age, wants to borrow this weekend for him and his buddies. That's why I'm doing the first look video right now. So yeah, my son prompted me to get off my butt and do the first look video so he can take it and use it. So everybody thank Trent in the comments, okay? But guys, this thing's pretty cool. I think you should check it out. I'll put a link down below if you want to grab one. This is going to be the hit of the summer. Trust me, we're going to be using the heck out of this thing. I will do plenty of videos and recipes on there. So again, make sure you are subscribed. And if you're catching this a little bit later and I've had a chance to do videos, you'll see videos up here. For a long time ago, when I first started the channel, I was doing like cocktail recipes too. So I might throw them in that playlist, or, you know, put those cocktails in the slushy mix, because all you're doing is gonna pour that, you know, cocktail mix in the slushies. So guys, I have so many great ideas for this thing. Hope you guys stick around for it. If you, like I said, if you want to get one, links down below. Other than that, guys, if you want to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that are going to enjoy a good Ninja Slushi, there are two ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for getting ready to drink with CJ. Cheers.